Hello guys, good day. This is kuyationg. Ang karon ng atong isgutan is about speed and velocity. So, atong i-define ug unsa man na sa speed ug unsa pud si velocity ug unsa pud ilang pinakakalahian. Okay? Susugod ta ni speed. So, it is defined as how fast an object is moving. Pasabot unsa ka ang kapaspason or unsa kapaspas naglihok ang usa ka butang. So, it is operationally defined as distance divided by time. So, ang factors ni nga kinahanglan natong kuhaon or pangitaon is ang distansya unya atong i-divide sa oras nga nagamit aron maabot ang kana nga distansya. For example, kay bale maingon ta 1 meter per second, so that is read as 1 meter per second. Ang kanang slash kay ba, that is per, kada kung sa Bisaya pa, no? So pasabot ana, di ba 1 meter per second, pasabot kada usa ka segundo moabot na sa og usa ka metro, 1 meter. Okay? So kung may tag 2 kilometers per hour, pasabot ana sa sud sa usa ka oras moabot na og 2 ka kilometro. Sorry, km na na. That is 2 kilometers per hour. Okay? So mo na pasabot sa distance over time. So ina na ang speed. Ina na ang representation sa speed. Na ay distansya ug na ay oras. So, it is in scalar quantity. Pasabot, magnitude only. Pasabot na nga magnitude only, kuya. Yung pasabot na is, ang kakusgon ra. No? Nahisgot ra kibali siya sa kakusgon, ang speed. Okay? So, that is speed. Next, adto ta og velocity. So, it is the rate at which an object changes its position. So, kung may tag position, pasabot na ay direction. Diba? Remember, nga it is the rate at which an object changes its position. So, unsa ka paspas ang ijang pag-usob sa ijang position. Pasabot, paspas na ay speed plus na ay direction. Okay, so mo nang it is in vector quantity, pasabot na ay magnitude ug direction. Di ba ang speed kay magnitude only ra, no? So, ang velocity na anay direction. Pasabot na katong north, na south, east, na west, northwest, northeast, ug unsa pa na nga mga direction. Okay, na may changes in position. So pasabot ay kung maingon ditag velocity kuya, it means speed si jadaan pero na anay additional nga direction. Okay? So example kay bali is 1 meter per second north. Okay, so di ba si 1 meter per second kini, this is speed. No. Pero tungod kay naa sa direction, nahimo na diyang velocity. Okay? So mo na ilang pinakakalahian. Whenever we talk about speed, naghisgot rata about sa distance covered over time. Okay? Pero maghisgot na ganita velocity, maghisgot na taog speed na ay distance covered over time plus the direction. Okay? So, nanay direction. Okay, so para masabtan na to ang ilang kalahian, datay mga example diri. So, tell me whether the given is an example of speed or velocity. So, una, 67 kilometers per hour north. So, obviously, this is velocity. Nga naman, naamay direction. So, north. Okay, so that is velocity. Diba? So, number 1 is velocity. Number 2, 84 meters per second. This is speed. Kaya halata ka adyo no, wa sa jay direction. This is only in scalar quantity. Magnitude only ra. Next, 150 kilometers per hour southwest. So, obvious po, this is velocity. Kay naay direction. Next, 16 kilometers 16 kilometers per second is. So, this is velocity gihapon, okay? Na may direction. So, last is we have 118 meters per hour. So, this is speed. Okay? Wa may kanang direction. This is only in scalar quantity. So, mora na siya, no? Always remember me, with speed, magnitude only. That is only distance over time. Kung may velocity, distance over time, and direction. Okay? Tanay direction. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching. This is Kuya Chong. Karon himdumi kung kapudyon pahuway ra. Ay pagunhon di ka mao. Give imo best. Paningkamot of course mag pray. This is Kuya Chong. Bye-bye.